All right, another one that I was requested to do was how to draw a Pokemon. So I'm gonna start with Eevee because from what my children told me, that's one of the favorites. I happen to like the Eevee that turns into Vaporeon. That's a Eevee Fusion.
Yeah, Fusion. There's like 8 of them.
Anyway, because Vaporeon is a mermaid Pokemon. All right, so I'm gonna do Eevee. The first thing you're gonna start with is just kind of like Eevee's face shape. So I'm gonna start with this kind of. All right. It's gonna be really hard to do this. All right. Do kind of a rhombus shape for the ear.
Yeah.
And then I'm gonna have another rhombus kind of over here. It's at a slightly different angle from the first rhombus. I think. Now Eevee's hair is kind of zigzaggy in between. So I'm just gonna do some zigzags. All right. And ovally eyes. Just gonna erase, because the bottom part of this we're not gonna keep anyway of the rhombus. So where the ears come onto the head, you can erase and just leave the actual ears and take the part that was on there and erase it. Another one. So I want to be roughly about the same size. Okay. Little smiley face, kind of a U with a straight line. Okay, now for the legs of Eevee, I'm gonna do kind of this curve shape that's gonna be for his hind legs because he's sitting down in this picture. So you can see what I'm doing. I'm gonna curve, come like that. I'm gonna do another one over here. Notice they're about a fingertip away from the chin of the face. And it's just a curve to a curve, almost like an S, the letter S. Got a lot of little fur right by the face. So I'm gonna do a little bit of fur right there. And that's just those zigzaggy lines. Okay, do a little bit more. All right. Now I'm gonna do the front legs. So I'm just gonna do a line coming down. It's gonna go just a little bit past where that knee is, and then I'm gonna make a little paw. Okay? Same thing on the other side. Go down just a little bit past, and then a little curved line for the paw. Once you guys get that part done, sorry, something was falling over on my table. I'm gonna kind of come up. Well, I wanna go ahead and kind of close up that little bit there. So that when I come up with the legs, all right, make that leg a little bit thicker. Okay, and maybe I'll make the fur come down a little bit more because that leg seems an awful tall. All right. All right, so I have the 2 front legs, the 2 knees, and the puffy part, the kind of the furry part underneath Eevee's chin. Now all I'm gonna do is some little kind of rounded toes for the paws back here. And then I'm gonna do oops. Okay, so I got like little paws for Eevee. I'm gonna go ahead and complete up here. Eyebrows, they're just 2 lines. A little curved line for the nose. Do 2 little lines inside the mouth for where the tongue is gonna sit. And then the eyes have a nice little kind of shine on them to give them some personality. All right. Tail is gonna come over here. I'm just gonna kind of come and do those same little, almost like I'm doing a fox's tail. And I'm gonna come down here. And then I'm going to put some lines there so it shows how puffy and furry the tail is. All right, now I'm gonna go ahead and outline it all. All right, and there is the Eevee finally colored. I didn't have all the exact colors I needed for the fur, but I improvised what I had at home. Hope you like it.